Today I'm going to show you how to use Pixton to make a comic strip. So when you first enter the class code, you'll come to this page, you'll click Sign In with Google, and you can use your Go TVDSB email here. That's the email you normally use to get to Google Slides. When you first get in, it'll get you to make what's called an avatar, so that's someone who looks like you. When you're all done, it'll bring you to this page and you will click Make a Comic, and you can give it whatever title you'd like. And continue. So once it's up and running, to start, you can choose a background for your comic. So I chose one that had dinosaurs in it. So we'll click dinosaurs. Then what you can do is you can choose different characters to be in it. So you can choose one of these characters, or you can choose under My Class a character that your classmates have created or the one that you made as well. So to start, I'll just put this character on here. So you just click it. You can choose what outfit you want them to wear, hair, different colors for their outfits, all that sort of stuff. And you can move them around. You are able to add more characters if you'd like. So I'm going to add 2 different characters just so they can be talking to each other. Next, we have the word focus. So you can choose from the dinosaur backgrounds what you want your focus to be. Maybe you want a dinosaur really close to the 2 of them. Maybe you want it to be further away with the mountain in the background. It's up to you. So you can choose whatever background you want and whatever focus you want, and then you can click on words. So you can see the character up here and it asks, what am I saying? This is what you'll type, what goes into the speech bubble. So hello, how are you? Of course, they're probably not saying this with dinosaurs near them, but this just gives you an example. And you click the check mark and you can see the speech bubble appears. Now, if I want my other character to be talking, I click on them, and you can choose here. So either speech, a thought, shouting, or a whisper. So maybe this character wants to whisper back. I am okay. How are you? And click. So you'll see it shows a different type of speech bubble. After that, you can choose different faces for your characters. So if they're feeling happy, sad, scared, you can choose a face that goes with it. You'll notice some of the things on here have what looks like a little lock. Those, unfortunately, we're not able to use, but there's still lots to choose from. So my first character might have a smile on her face. The other character is maybe looking a little more serious or scared. And then you can choose different actions. Oops. Oh. So you can choose to have them walking, bending down, moving their hands, lots of different things. You can just click on it for the different people and get them to change like that. Now, when you create your comic strip, I'm going to be asking you to do more than one slide for it. So when you're all done your first one, you'll just click Add Panel. And it'll give you the option to keep going. When you're all done creating this, the most important thing for you to remember is to click this Done button in the right corner. If you don't click on that, I unfortunately will not be able to see your work. So all you need to do when you're done is click Done, and I can see it.